Have you got a damaged roller door that needs to be fixed, but you're not sure how to do it? Then come along with me and I'll show you how easy it is, as you'll discover. Let's go. Hey guys, Musa here from Quantum Home Improvements and Solutions. Welcome back. And this is your first time to our channel. It's great having you join us. And so today I'm with my good friend, Anthony English.
Hi there, guys.
So Anthony's a how-to tech guy and he's got his own YouTube channel and he's doing really well. And we'll talk more about that later. So Anthony contacted me a while back and he said he's got a bit of an issue. So he's got a damaged door here, a roller door, and someone reversed into it. And but they're very easy to fix. Anthony, this is not going to take much work, I've got to be honest.
Oh, great.
Yeah, so I had this happen in my place and unfortunately a lot worse than this. I had the door only partially opened and I went through it with the tractor. So I thought it would have cleared the top, but it just wiped the whole thing out. Yeah, right. So everything pushed through. And in about an hour later, I had it fixed up working with the remote, everything perfectly.
Fantastic.
So it's really not that much work. And this is easy too.
Great.
All right, so we'll get into it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so now from the inside, this is the damage. So basically the sheeting, this roll-formed steel is actually popped out of this channel. And the channel is held in by, in this case here, only 3 screws. Now I've identified that the screws are around about 12 mil, about ½ inch. So, so I've got the right size. I've got the extension on there. Pop this in place. Now all I'm gonna do is not take them off, but just loosen them. So what's happened here, this channel is kicked on an angle like this, and it's basically because this sheeting is pushing it out. So once the sheeting goes back inside, that'll come back, and I may have to even just give it a bit of a nudge with a hammer, but we'll see how we go. All right, so that one's loosened. Now I'll just do this one. Okay, so again, I'm not gonna take it all the way out. And there is one more screw here. I'm actually just gonna loosen it, but I'm not gonna loosen it by much, just a little bit. Okay, so now that's free and this will move. Okay, so I've decided to take the bottom one out completely because this channel won't allow it to go any further. So now it's free, and because that's free, I now can push this into the track system. Okay, and then all I do is just push this back in like this. Okay, so that's ideally is fixed, but we've still got a few more things to do. Okay, so this bracketing system here goes up and down, and you move it to where the plug is. So you can see the plug's right there, and we're gonna move it to the plug. Okay, so now that's lined up, I'll just put the screw back in. And see what's happened automatically. This frame wasn't an angle, now it's actually gone straight again, so it's brilliant. Okay, so now I'll just tighten it back up. Okay, that's done. Okay, now I'll just tighten this one. One thing to note is you don't push the track too far in because it will actually seize the door. So you've just put it far enough where it holds in place nicely. Okay, that's locked off. All right, so now I'll just re-tighten this one. I didn't do too much on this, so it won't take much. All right, so now we need to test it to see how it's gonna open and close, plus we need to lubricate it. All right, so we'll give this a go. There we go. Now this is really tight, really tight. So what we're gonna do now is use some silicone spray. You can use other type of lubricants, but you don't wanna use anything that's a grease because it actually will be an issue later. So what I'm gonna do is just spray the track. I'll do both sides, and I will be generous with this silicone spray. Okay, just go a little bit higher. Okay, that is beautiful. Okay, so now just do a bit on this side. I could see a little bit of rust in there, which is obviously caused by some of the friction. So we're gonna take some of that friction out. Beautiful, just go a bit higher. There we go. Okay, so there's one thing I haven't mentioned. Inside here is a massive spring and it causes it to roll up and down, kind of like on retractable awnings or roller blinds, but it's even bigger. Now, you can actually adjust the roller doors if you want to, but I'm gonna tell you, a good friend of mine by the name of Rod was one day winding up one of his awning springs with a spanner, and unfortunately it wasn't on properly and it slipped and it smashed his face and damaged his teeth. He had to have a reconstruction of that section and new teeth. And I was just spoken to him the other day and he still has dreams about that situation. So you don't want to do that. Whatever you do, don't touch those springs. Unless you know what you're doing, you should never touch them. Okay, so now just test it again. All done. Hey, Anthony, just in time.
Wow, that looks better.
Yeah. Hey, do you want to give it a go?
I sure do. Oh, that is amazing. It just opens and closes.
Anthony, it's not a toy, man. It's not a toy. So, Anthony, did I tell you or didn't I tell you? It wasn't worth getting out of bed. This is so easy to fix.
Yeah, well, you made it easy, Musa, like you do on all your videos. I don't know,
You know what? But my door, when it pulled out, I actually had to panel beat it because it was so badly bent.
Oh, yeah.
And it's still in an hour I had it working again. And this is not even damaged. This looks fantastic.
Yeah, it's just a wonderful job, and you've taken the hole away. It's great.
And so these doors are B&D doors.
Yeah.
They're the same in my place. I've got B&D.
Okay,
they're a good
B&D.
brand.
Yeah.
So if you want to know more about roller doors, especially B&D, I will put a link in the descriptions below.
Great.
But Anthony, how's your channel going?
Yeah, my YouTube channel, yeah, look, it's chugging along, and the thing that really amazes me about YouTube is that people will search for things years after you made the video.
Yeah, same with me.
And they'll find it, and it's wonderful.
Yeah, same with me.
So it's got a really long-term impact.
Long-term impact, yeah. And that's why, I mean, we YouTube to help others as well as an income.
Yeah, for sure.
And it's great. I think YouTube is a good platform.
Yeah, no, it's great.
Anyway, Anthony,
Thank you
that was a great
so
job.
much.
So if you're looking for Anthony's channel, I will put a link in the descriptions below. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it. And if you have any comments at all, please leave them below and I will get back to you. And I'd ask you, please consider to subscribe, hit the like button and share this video. And there's many more to come. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, you ready to roll?
Yeah.
La door. Hey guys, Musa here from Quantum Home Improvements and Solutions. Welcome back. And if this is your first time to our channel, it's great having you join us. And so today I'm with my good friend Anthony English, who's also a YouTuber.
Yep.
Anthony, it feels like I was just here just a short while ago.
That's great. That's very good. Okay, let's do it again.
Now you know what I'm going to say.
Take 57.
157. It's only a camera. Like you said on the chat, just forget there's a camera. Or
Exactly.
There's no camera on you.
Exactly. You're just talking to the
Well, actually, there's never any camera on me. It's at me, but not on me. Hey guys, Musa here from Quantum Home Improvements and Solutions. Welcome back. And this is your first time to our channel. It's great having you join us. And so today I'm with my good friend Anthony English, who's also a YouTuber.
Yep. Hi there.
And so Anthony contacted me a little while back and he's got a damaged roller door and it needs fixing.
It was the perfect take as well.
Take 192.